In the previous video, we already show you how to install PlayOnLinux and also install Wine in ZorinOS. Now, in this video, let me show you how to install Microsoft Office in ZorinOS. In the previous video, we already show you how to install Microsoft Paint and Notepad++. To install the Microsoft Office, first you need to click the ZorinOS icon and find your PlayOnLinux. If you never or not yet install the PlayOnLinux, you can see the link on the top right corner, how to install PlayOnLinux. Just open the PlayOnLinux. Okay. After that, you can expand this. And to install the Microsoft Office, we can just click install and find Microsoft Office here. Okay, this is the Microsoft Office. Let me show you install the Microsoft Office 2007. Okay, you can also have the newer version, but this is for tutorial, just using this version to shorten the video. Just click install after that and wait the process. Click next. Okay, we can expand this to see the details, and don't remind me anymore, just click next. After that, the installation wizard will running. Okay, you can see here. Just click next again. Okay, this is maybe the window is not showing. You can make the window is bigger like this. Please wait until you can click next. Now downloading Wine 4.0. Everything you install on the PlayOnLinux, it will also install the Wine 4 requirement for specific version. For example, for Office 2007 is require Wine 4.0 in here. Please wait while the virtual drive is being created. Okay, we need to wait for this. Now you can use a setup file. Okay, just click next. After you have the installer, you can just click browse and select the location of your installer. So you need two requirement here. First is you need to install PlayOnLinux, and then second, you need to have the installer of Office that you want to install. After that, you can point the setup.x and click open. Then just click next on PlayOnLinux. Please wait while Microsoft Office 2000 is installed. Okay, if your installer is legit, you will see the installation will be completed. If your installer maybe is not complete, is not legit one, the installation maybe is corrupted. Okay, maybe we will skip the loading process to shorten the video. Okay, now you need to input the key product. Okay, if you have the key, just click here, or if you want to try, just click here. In my case, I have the key, so we can input them, but we will censor in here because this is the license to Microsoft. Okay, I will copy the license key here. Then click continue. Click accept and click continue again and click install now. Now, the Wine and PlayOnLinux is installing Microsoft Office 2007. You can also install the Office 2016, but you must have the valid installer. I will close this. Oh, no. Sorry. Let's see the process. Okay. Now installing Microsoft Office, maybe we will skip the loading process so the video is shortened, not very long, just waiting the loading process. Now the installation of Microsoft Office 2007 is successfully. We can close this button Then waiting the play on Linux, it's appear successfully. After that, we can try to open our Microsoft Office. Okay, this is Microsoft Office Word. Let's try to run this. You need just click or give the name, for example, where data. If your office cannot open, you need to restart the Zorin OS that we just show you. Okay, just click OK here. After that, the Microsoft Office must can be open like this. Okay, and this is the Microsoft Office is successfully installed on Zorin OS. Okay, you can find the Microsoft Office by typing like this, Office like this, or Microsoft Office. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to install Microsoft Office on Zorin OS using Play on Linux and Wine. If you face error, first you must verify that your Office installer is valid, and the second you need to restart after the installation. Okay, so everything will work smooth like this. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.